Alrighty, I'm going to take this semi-repaired negative post off and put this new one on. So let's what we can do. There we go. Got that part loose. And then take the back side loose where we can. There we go. That don't look too healthy. And that don't look real healthy. What you can do, at least it's not corroded, but I do want to brighten it up a little bit and make sure there ain't no rust on it. Same thing with this one. Get all the junk and rust off of it. Wire brush. I think I probably got it in there for $1.99 or $99. Ain't no telling. Alrighty. It's looking a little better. No rust anyway. I also want to twist that up good where it's where it looks like one wire anyway. Looks pretty good. Now then, what I want to do here is I'm going to spray these with a little lube on the end. Keep them from corroding. I don't know if that's the best thing to use, but it's what I've always used. So make sure I got that in there right. Put it all the way up there, as far as I can get. And then tighten these up on it. I really need to take the positive side loose also in case I touch it, but I'm not going to. Alrighty. Now then, I need to make sure it stays in there while I tighten it pretty good. Alrighty. Nope, that didn't do it. Means that's too big. So I was afraid of that. I should have got a smaller opening one, but it's okay. You can show you what you can do to alleviate that problem. Take that off, flip it over. Another, you would think a temporary fix, but I'm going to call this a permanent fix. Now then, let's see if we can get this back in there and get this in there. Yeah. Get this one all the way in there, like so. Now that it's half tight, tighten it on up on that side. Tighten it up on this side. There we go. Now then, you want them as tight as you can get them, because you don't want these loose at all, in the least. Alright, I believe that's it. Got them about as tight as I can get them without stripping them things. I don't know if I can strip them or not. Now then, something that's been needing done, or I've needed to do. Alright. Alright. Something that I should have done a long time ago on the old one, but I got back there and forgot about it after I got it on. Not only makes it look a little better, it keeps the elements off of it. Now then, a new end, and ready to go onto the battery cable. But first, I looked at these, they're like $2.89 or something like that on at Walmart. So this is brand new. You don't really need to do this, but I want to kind of rough it up a little bit where you make good contact, and on the other side you want to make sure that your battery post is roughed up a little, make good contact. And like I always do, spray it with a little lube. Spray the inside of that with a little lube, and put it on. Alrighty, you want to make sure that it's good and tight. It does not move like that. So you tighten it till it will not move anymore. If you can't move it, then it's tight enough. You can tighten it up. You can over tighten it and squeeze this together. You can tighten it until it goes all the way together like this one is, and you've ruined it. So, if you can't turn it, then it's good to go. So that is it on the replacing the battery terminal, battery cable in. There we go, and you can actually wash this off, won't hurt anything because the lube is in between here and here and is underneath there. So all right, new battery cable in, an older one that's working good. So repaired and done. That's all for now.